In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find NBKC bank branches and ATMs near you. Finding a bank branch or ATM that's convenient and accessible can make a big difference in managing your finances quickly and effectively. So, let's dive right into it. First, get started by visiting the NBKC Bank website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL nbkc.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to scroll down until you spot the Locations hyperlink. This is usually located towards the bottom of the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling. After clicking on the Locations hyperlink, you'll be directed to a new page. When you arrive there, continue scrolling down until you find a map. This map is a crucial tool for locating all available NBKC branches, ATMs, and even their partner ATMs. It provides a comprehensive view of all these options spread out across the country. Now, to make your search more targeted, you'll want to narrow down the options. Look for the filter button. You'll usually spot it on the same page as the map. Click on that and you'll have several choices to refine your search. Depending on what you're specifically looking for, you can filter results by branch locations, ATM availability, whether deposit services are available, or if the location operates 24/7. If you want to refine your search even further, the search box is your friend. You can type in your city, state, or zip code to get results tailored to your location. This is super handy if you're looking for the nearest options without having to sift through those that aren't relevant to your area. The map itself is an interactive tool, and by now, you should notice various blue pins and dots scattered across it. Blue pins indicate NBKC branch locations. If you click on a blue pin, it will display the address of the branch. You also have the option to click on actions within this pop-up, which will allow you to see directions to the branch or even a street view if that's available. On the other hand, blue dots represent their partner ATMs. Similar to the branches, clicking on these dots will bring up the address. By selecting details, you can find out whether these ATMs accept deposits. And if you click on actions, you'll once again have the options to view directions or a street view of that location. And there you have it. By using the NBKC website and its handy map tool, you can easily find branches and ATMs based on your needs. Whether filtering by location, services, or hours, everything is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.